Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F, I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, producing weekly content and helping you taking your video editing and videography to the next level. Now if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to help the production of future content, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. So guys, how to apply multiple transitions to multiple clips inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump straight to it. So this is going to be for both visual and audio. I've got a bit of an itch there. So what we want to do is first of all get our clips into Adobe Premiere Pro and chop them up like this. You know how many clips you want to do, it depends. And I'm using my new Sigma lens, it finally came, so you might notice a bit of a difference. What we can do, zoom in and then zoom out. I hope that's in the same place. Anyway, so we've got Son Goku here, the ghost himself, Goku. He solos, I'm kidding. So what we want to do is come up to here where it says effects. What we're going to do is we're going to look for the transition that we want. So what we're going to use is a really cheesy page peel, like a, you know, one of those page peels where it just peels and stuff. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to video transitions, and then we're going to go to find your desired transition. We're going to go to peel right there, and what we're going to do, we're going to right click and we're going to hit set as default transition. And what that's going to do is going to highlight the outside of the actual box blue. Now what that's going to indicate is that it's, you know, your default setting, it's your default transition. So what we're going to do, we're going to highlight all of the clips and we're going to hit Control D. And then as you see here, it applies the clip, it applies the transition to all of the clips. But you might want to get your clips a little bit longer so your transition can do its full thing rather than like short little 10-second clips. But as you see here, we have the cheesy page peel in Adobe Premiere Pro. But if you want to do this for visual, I mean audio, same thing. Back out of this, go to audio transitions, crossfade, and then get whatever you want. We're gonna right click on consistent gain, for example. Right click, set as default transition. And if you highlight all of your clips again, hit Control Shift D. It's going to add your transition for the audio, and obviously these clips don't my god, these clips don't have any audio, so there's no, you know, example. But that's just been a quick video on how to apply the default transition to multiple clips in Adobe Premiere Pro, guys. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for notifications. And if you want to help the production of future content, donate some money to the channel, go buy me a copy, link in the description. Anyway guys, apart from that, I'll see you on the next video.